Ebiexperts is excited to introduce WIP for Power BI. Let's take a quick peek at some of the key features. Login is simple and easy using your Microsoft Entra ID. All you need to do is select your product and server. Let's start with the Agile board. It manages issues, releases, and packages. Create and filter issues, move them across to do, in progress, and done per swim lane, so dev, UAT, and prod. Track your tasks, collaborate via comments where subscribers get email updates, add items and attachments, and view the notifications log. Moving on to item management, you can view all your repository files and import Power BI workspaces or items using the API integration. Manage your dependent files like Excels or CSVs by importing them and restore deleted items from the bin. Select an item to check it out for editing, lock it for development, or collaborate with others on the same item. Check it back in to store metadata and to track your changes. View versions per environment, compare your changes, green for added, red for removed, and blue for changed, and analyze data dependencies dynamically. Publishing is made easy with WIP. Publish items immediately, on schedule, or with admin approval to any or multiple environments at the click of a button. Preset your destinations for automatic publication to those environments per workspace or item. View your publication history and roll back items and publications to previous versions. The dashboard shows your issues, notifications, pending publications, and approval requests. Our collaboration section allows you to share forums, groups, and knowledge links with developers. Your global standards allow you to manage your parameters and data connections per environment. And finally, your admin configuration, which is where you can set up your Power BI server, define your environments, and assign user and group permissions. Sync AD users, integrate with Jira, and enforce publication workflows. If you have any questions or you'd like to see a more detailed demo, visit Ebiexperts.com and book a session with me today.